In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with GoHighLevel. If you're looking to harness the power of technology to expand your financial horizons, you're in the right place. We'll explore various avenues for leveraging GoHighLevel, a versatile platform aimed at revolutionizing how businesses operate and interact with their clientele. One of the most common and potentially rewarding ways to make money with GoHighLevel is by starting a marketing agency. This path involves using the platform to assist businesses in obtaining more leads and setting up appointments, as well as boosting their reviews. You'll also be able to set up sophisticated automation and follow-up systems. By offering these services, you can charge monthly retainers, creating a recurring revenue stream. Some typical services might include setting up a CRM, which can fetch anywhere from Rs 15,000 to over Rs 100,000. You might also be building funnels for Rs 10,000 to Rs 75,000, or designing automation systems that could range from Rs 20,000 to Rs 150,000. Additionally, managing social media and running SMS or email campaigns can provide a consistent monthly income. Industries that often need these services include real estate, dental clinics, gyms, solar companies, roofing, coaches, and other local businesses. Another lucrative approach involves white label SaaS reselling. GoHighLevel allows you to rebrand the platform under your own business identity, opening up opportunities to leverage your unique brand power. By adding your logo, using custom domains, and creating individualized client accounts, you can charge monthly subscriptions. Many agencies successfully command between Rs 3,000 and Rs 30,000 per month per client using this strategy, all while depending on the underlying GoHighLevel system. Building funnels and websites is another demand you can fulfill with GoHighLevel. Whether a business needs landing pages, booking pages, or comprehensive sales pages, GoHighLevel's drag-and-drop funnel builder offers the tools similar to those found in ClickFunnels. You can construct lead generation funnels, webinar funnels, appointment funnels, and even complete local business websites. Pricing for such services ranges broadly, from Rs 5,000 to over Rs 100,000, depending on the complexity and requirements of the client. Finally, selling automation services represents one of the highest value opportunities. Businesses are constantly seeking ways to streamline their operations and improve efficiency. With GoHighLevel, you can help automate processes like follow-ups, missed call textbacks, appointment reminders, lead nurturing, review requests, and even organize sales pipelines. These services not only save companies time, but also enhance their customer interactions and ultimately drive more revenue. So, there you have it. With the right approach, GoHighLevel can be an incredibly powerful tool in your entrepreneurial arsenal. By providing high-demand services such as marketing, automation, and web development, you can create a sustainable and impactful business model. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you tap into the potential that GoHighLevel offers to make meaningful earnings.